Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to this latest episode of Do You Cook English from the wonderful vegetable garden here at Château de la Masure. This is our 8th month of filming now and our 38th recipe. We've also had hundreds of images uploaded onto our Facebook page and thousands of comments from you, which we just love to read. But before we go any further, let's see what we have planned for you today. Today's grammar rule. Have you guessed the grammar rule yet? Yes, today we're looking at numbers and measurements. Numbers. These are easy and straightforward in English. We have numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. We have the teens. This is the origin of the word teenager. 13, 14, 15, etc. There is often confusion between the teen numbers and the T numbers. They sound very similar in English. For example, 13, 30, 14, 40, 17, 70. We often clarify we have correctly heard these numbers in English. We'll say, did you say 15 or 50? Was that 17 or 70? So never be concerned to verify you have heard these correctly. Did you say 18 million euros or 80 million euros? It could be a costly mistake if you don't. We then have hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, billions, and now today, of course, we need trillions. Numbers in English are logical and simple. Big numbers just follow the same rule. This big number here is easy. For example, 365 trillion, 674 billion, 796 million, 295,000, 173 euros and 98 cents. You just follow the logic. Measurements. Weights include milligrams, grams, kilograms, tons, or as we say, a metric ton. Volume, millilitres, centilitres and litres. Distance, millimetres, centimetres, metres and kilometres. Many countries still use imperial measurements, such as the USA, or a mix of both imperial and metric, such as the UK. Imperial measurements include weight, an ounce. This is approximately 28 grams. A pound is approximately half a kilogram. A stone equals approximately 6 kilos. A ton, an imperial ton, is approximately 1,000 kilograms. Volume. 1 fluid ounce is approximately 30 millilitres. 1 pint is approximately half a litre. 1 gallon is approximately 4.5 litres. And finally, distance. An inch is approximately 2.5 centimetres. 1 foot is approximately 30 centimetres. 1 yard is approximately 1 metre. And 1 mile is approximately 1.6 kilometres. As mentioned, here we are in the fabulous kitchen garden at Château de la Masure. Here we're just 10 kilometres from the town of Laval in France and 280 kilometres, or 170 miles from Paris. We're also approximately 650 kilometres southwest from London, 5,600 kilometres east of New York and 17,000 kilometres north of Sydney. Anyway, here we are again with our chef today, Marie, who is going to explain what we're doing today. Hi, Marie.
Hi, Anna. It's great to be back. Yes, today we are going to be preparing a great recipe with strawberry and lime soup, which normally serve 4 people and only takes 30 minutes to prepare and 0 minutes to cook.
Ha, not bad, not bad. Okay, well that's perfect. So let's take a look at the recipe. I'm sure we'll be able to squeeze a few numbers and measurements into the script here somewhere. First, to prepare the crumble. Add all the crumble ingredients into an electric mixer. This is 50 grams of hazelnut powder, 50 grams of powdered sugar, 50 grams of flour and 50 grams of butter, then mix together. Next, Place the crumble mix onto a baking tray and smooth over any cracks in the mixture. Now, place in the oven for 25 minutes at 160 degrees centigrade, stirring from time to time.
Now to prepare the fruit. First wash and dry 500 grams of strawberry. Hull them and cut each in half. Then place to one side in a bowl. Next, boil 10 centiliters of water with 100 grams of sugar before adding a sachet of mint tea. Pour the syrup on the strawberry and leave to marinate in the cool place.
Now for the cream. Add 35 centiliters of full-fat single cream to 1 tablespoon of mascarpone cheese. Then add the juice of 1 lime plus 100 grams of sugar. Now take the vanilla pods and the rind of 2 limes and add them to the cream.
Now to serve the crumble. Put strawberry and juice in the bowl with a spoonful of the cream. Finally, scatter with the crumble topping. A quick tip, you can replace the mint with basil and hazelnut powder on powdered almonds.
So here we are at the end of this great episode. Well, look at these, this is the result. They look fresh, pretty and summery.
Yes, this is easy to make. It uses 500 grams of strawberry, so it's very seasonal at the moment. But I make a great dessert at any time.
Absolutely, they look absolutely delicious. Well, that's all for this week. Remember, you can visit our Facebook page or our website. You can go to our Facebook group and leave a comment or upload a photo of this week's recipe or any other recipes. So, until next week on our 39th episode, from Marie and from myself and from all the team here, au revoir.